Good afternoon, Mr. Wonderful here. How are we all doing today? This is an Irish coin. This is from my friend Derek and his beautiful wife. This is a 1998 coin. So what happened in 1998? Well, the significant events included the launch of Google, the impeachment of US President Bill Clinton, and the 1998 FIFA World Cup, where France emerged victorious. The year saw the introduction of the iMac and the first euro coins being minted. Yeah, the good old euro coin, eh? Don't we just love them? Right, that's the useless information part of the video over with. So, what we're going to do with this coin, I think we'll turn it into a ring. So first of all, I need to punch a hole in it. Sorry about no video yesterday, but I was in Tampere, about 175 kilometres away from where I live, and I went to see Guns N' Roses. Fantastic night. The only thing that spoilt it was the support band. Public Enemy, I mean hip-hop band and rock and roll. Absolute shite, I tell you. But there you go. We can't have everything in life, can we? Bloody hip-hop. Right. It's rock and roll, baby, or nothing. Come on. Right, this is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. You don't need one of these. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Yeah, we didn't get home until what? Probably 4:30 this morning. So we went straight to bed, and here I am now. So this video will probably come out Thursday. If my girlfriend wants to get, do it. But we're just both absolutely wiped out. Just sort of standing for like 7 hours, 8 hours, non-stop. But it's worth it. They put on a good show. Okie dokie. That's good. So, I showed a bit of love with Bernie. I was making a load of glass earrings before I went. There's glass everywhere again. Nothing new there, is there? Right, what we got? There we go. So it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? This side's going to be sunny side up on the ring. So we go over, draw a little doming block, face down, and then we'll nip over to Big Red. Give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. And then we want a reduction die. That's good. A little bit of Looby Loo. Where is she? There she is. A little bit of Looby Loo. Right, let's clean the old finger. I just want this levelish. If you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. I'm your man. Oh, I could be, You could check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a load of rings in there. I can adjust the size for you, up or down. Or you can even send me your own coins. surefingermyring.com. There's a contact me button there as well if you want to contact me, ask me anything. We just want to clean up the edge a bit. There you go, that's pretty gorgeous. Right, we'll have a bit of kitchen roll. There's a bit here. Oh la la. And we'll go over to Spike. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. And you guessed it, it stretches your ring. That was for you, Bear, okay? Right. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. You give it a bit of a turn each time, and it stretches the ring equally all the way around. I was getting a bit low on Irish coins, or Finnish coins. But my friend I met in a bar, this Irish guy called Derek, his wife and her grandmother used to collect a load of coins, Finnish coins obviously. So I went round there the other night and I got, what, 170. There's a few Irish, which I wanted, because they're quite hard to find. But most of them are Finnish, so and she's still got tons of them. So I will be back there. How's that looking? There's a little bit, not much, but I'll give it a bit more. That's still looking absolutely sexy as hell. Look at that. Gorgeous. I think, yeah, the bow's out of it. So I'll show it a bit more love with Bernie. Oops, daisy. Right. Where'd my lighter go? I have another one in my pocket. Today I'm quite organised. Yeah. Yeah, we got to the train last night. We had to wait like 4 hours for the train. And we get on this train and everyone's totally shagged out. Totally. Aching, your back's killing you. And we paused into this station and it just stayed there for about 3/4 of an hour. And the guy got on the on the intercom and said someone had been taken ill, and the ambulance came and they treated him or her on the platform and then took him or her away. So hopefully she was just drunk, or because the Finns do like a drink. Well, so do I, but when they drink, they drink. There's no mucking about there. So hopefully they're okay. And I'm thinking, Jesus, I want to get home. Come on, come on. But hopefully they're okay. And walking down to the arena, it's like some sort of football ground. The steps were really huge, and some old boy fell down the steps, smashed his head open, and everyone thought he was going to, But about an hour later, he came back with his arm was in a sling and his head was all bandaged up, but he was okay. That's good. Okay, we'll now go over to the bottom end of Spike, or as I say, the arse end of Spike. And we want to reduce it, we want to straighten these walls up, see it's cone shaped. There you go. Bit of looby-loo in there. How's that looking? I think them walls are nice and straight. Let's have a look with the BDI. Yeah, not too shabby, as they say. Right, let's break out Dave the Dremel and see what he's going to do for us. Bloody wires everywhere. Right, we'll take out Felton and we'll slip in the one and only Kate. Oh, she's not looking too hot today, but I've seen her in a worse state, I tell you. This just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit. Bit more volume, eh? Right, let's take out Kate. We're whacking Felton. And a bit of the old Jollop would be good. Yeah, I know. The lid's missing. Makes a change, doesn't it? I will find it. It's on the floor somewhere, but I've just been too busy. It makes sense, doesn't it? Too busy to find a lid that's on the floor. Right. This should clean up really nice. Very warm. So, I'd like to thank you, or I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. If you're not subscribed, how about doing it for me? It's free, there's no obligation. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. Hit that and stuff happens. You're subscribed. You can even send me your own coins. So you can see that the thickest part of the ring is the reeded side. So it goes in that easy. The other side, it doesn't. And I even cut out the lip. Right. Let's clean off the old mingers, shall we? And get rid of Dave's cord. And we'll give it a bit of a clean up. Where's the green goddess? There she is. Lovely colour, this cloth. Let's find a slightly cleaner part of it. I do clear coat on my ring, so you shouldn't have any allergies, or if it does wear off after a year or whatever, you can always top it up with a bit of clear nail varnish. Right, how's it looking? Bit of the orange peel effect again. But a nice ring. I'll probably give this another polish, I think, but off camera. So there you go. What size have we got in the end? We have a size. We have a size 10, nearly 10 3/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I will make it shinier. So thanks a lot. Fits his finger perfectly. Thanks for your likes and dislikes and your comments and everything like that. So keep smiling. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. So bye-bye.